In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Microsoft Office applications through Outlook. This is an important skill to maintain because keeping your software up to date ensures that you have access to the latest features, security updates, and bug fixes. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, we'll need to open up Microsoft Outlook. This can typically be found on your desktop or by searching for it in your Start menu. Go ahead and launch the application, and once it's open, we're going to look towards the top left corner of the interface. Here you'll find the File tab. Go ahead and click on it. This tab is your gateway to a variety of settings and options that you can customize within Outlook. Once you've clicked on File, you should see a menu appear on the left-hand side of your screen. Look for the option labeled Office Account. If you're having trouble finding it, it's usually situated towards the bottom of the list. Click on Office Account, and this will take you to a page containing lots of useful information about your Office installation, like who it's licensed to and what version you're currently using. On the Office Account page, our primary focus is on keeping your software up to date, so let your eyes drift down to an option labeled Microsoft 365 and Office Updates. This is an essential feature because it allows us to manually trigger any new updates that Microsoft has released. Clicking on this option will often provide you with a drop-down menu. In this drop-down, look for the Update Now button. When you click this button, it prompts Office to check for any available updates. This process might take a little time, depending on the speed of your internet connection and the size of the updates. Hang tight while Office checks for the very latest software enhancements and security patches. If updates are found, simply follow the on-screen instructions to download and install them. Keep in mind that it's a good idea to save any work you might have open before initiating this process, because some updates will require you to restart your Office applications to take effect. And that's it, you're done. Updating your Office applications ensures you're protected against vulnerabilities and enjoy the newest tools Microsoft has to offer. Remember to check for updates regularly, as keeping your software current contributes significantly to improving your productivity and protecting your data. Thank you for joining me in this instructional video. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering your software tools. Stay updated, stay efficient, and I'll see you in the next video.